Okay, so when you're mixing dough by hand versus when you're mixing it by machine, the two yield basically different results. A machine has a powerful motor, and so in a professional kitchen, the motor is so powerful that what that motor does is it beats air into the dough and it oxidizes the dough, and therefore it causes the fermentation to occur more quickly. When you're kneading something by hand, you're really not adding the same kind, and ditto for when you're using like a stand mixer at home, you're really not adding a lot of air like a professional mixer would be adding into your dough. And so you have a slower, basically a slower fermentation process, which generally yields more flavor. And that's one of the reasons why I'm a fan of mixing doughs by hand, because you're not adding that air, you're not accelerating the fermentation process, you're slowing it down. And when you're slowing it down, you're just adding more flavor to the dough. And those are some of the main differences between mixing a dough by hand and mixing a dough by machine.